it's me, Jimmy Geek. So here is the HTC True Wireless headset. So one thing I noticed is that it's manufactured by Fortune Shipping International Industrial Limited. So I live in a factory. So this factory is just very near my factory. Just like 2 minutes walk. So this HTC headset is not made by HTC. It's not like they are trying to outsource the production. No, this is not even outsourced by HTC. This HTC basically let this company Fortune in Hong Kong to use their name. So this headphone HTC have nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with the production or design. Let me repeat. HTC have nothing to do with the headphone design. It's basically they just let their HTC name. Again, I'm very honest here. Manufactured under the license from the HT Corporation. I'm a little bit disappointed. I was hoping I'm going to get a genuine HTC. Again, I'm not saying that HTC will manufacture. They can outsource, but HTC engineer didn't design it. Let me repeat. These headphones have nothing to do with HTC. Just they are using the brand name. Okay, I hope you get it. And then let me open it. I need a knife. I need a knife. Where's the knife? Oh, here we'll go with the knife. Okay, here we go with the knife. Let me just open it. I pay like $30 on Prime. Like before it was like for selling for $50. Okay. The quality is like okay, not bad, not good, somewhere between for $30, like better than a lot of $30 headphone. So yeah, I pay like $30 on Prime. I think this is around $40. I mean, what? Again, I'm disappointed. It's not made by HTC, but the quality is not that bad. Let me be honest with you. The quality is not that bad. The quality is not that bad. Okay, but where the hell I have to charge? Somewhere here. I can't find the charging port. Here. USB-C. Okay, and then what is the length? How the hell I have to manage the length? I forgot. I need to cut out this one. I don't want to cut the wire. I have to be careful. Oh, I don't want to. If I cut the wire, my money will be wasted. This is a stupid idea to put a sticker in such, sensitive spot. So, like, how the hell I have to wear this headset? Like this. Okay. So yeah, first quality impression is good. Let me just try to turn it on. No battery. Where any LED? Why the hell no battery? There's no battery. Okay, it's turning it on. Let me see. Can I connect with my folding phone? Can I see HTC? No. I don't want to connect with this one. HTC. Oh, okay, HTC S01. I can see. So it's trying to pair. Let's see, can it pair or not? Pair. So the first impression is like okay. I will be making an in-depth review. So this is just the unboxing. Subscribe and bye.